Children, today we are we are going to new chapter nation, nationality and nationalism. Nation, nationality and nationalism. Okay, here we are mainly nation, nationality, nationalism. What is the main difference between these three words? Nation is the derived from natio, derived from natio and natas. Natio and natas. These two, which words? Latin words. Okay, these are two Latin words. Natio and natas. It is natio, natas. Its meaning born, the country, one of the people born. Okay, it is called nation. Natio, natas. These two words derived from which language? Latin word. It is called born. So nation, nationality, and nationalism. It is the essential elements of the like social sciences. Nation is the essential elements. Essential elements of the like social sciences. Okay, essential elements of the like social sciences. It is mainly nation and nationality, essential of socialism, essential of nationality. Okay, all our states mainly depend on nation. Okay, all our states. The total all of the states is called actually all of the states. It is called all of the state. It is called one of the nation. Okay, all of the states. It is total mixture of all our regions or all of the state. It is called nation, national feelings, nationality. Okay, so this is the new chapter of in this new chapter we shall read about the what is meant by nation, nationality and nationalism. Okay, we will discuss now present. So present situation is totally here a different type of mixing of language. So it is the actually this Latin word. This Latin word is after mixed of the other foreign languages also. So all are the states, one of the nation. In English called nation and states same meaning, but Telugu different type meanings there. Okay, English word state, nation and state. Nation and states. These are meaning same. State and nation. So nation and state population is common population, but is working hours also same. But is the some biggest of the states is called nation. Some biggest of the bigger than. Okay, nation means here state bigger than. The state bigger than is called nation. This but common meaning is common. State, nation. Okay. So it is the differ from compared to state and nation wise. State and nation wise is the essential feelings, essential items, essential elements. Okay, essential items or essential elements of social studies. Social studies is the one of the biggest of ocean. In this ocean, so many type of meanings, so many type of words are so formation. So example is sovereignty. Sovereignty is also one of the main power of the every nation or every state. Sovereignty, it is the one of the sovereignty, it is the one of the main power of the every state and every nation or every state. So this is rules and regulations how to ruling of the one country, how to ruling of the one system of the government, system of the convention, Okay, its rules and regulation is different from one side to another side, nation wise, state wise. So the sovereignty is the common. Sovereignty is the common. Okay, the nation population is the population wise also different from state and nation. What is the main difference between nation and state? Okay, nation and state. What is the main difference between in these two words? Nation population is the more population, but state is less population. Compared to foreign countries, America, example, United States of America, USA. USA, it is the USA's common word is state. Every state common cover is different in America. Okay, but is compared to USA, nation is the commonly belongs to only the country boundary side only. The country boundary side or country boundary line only. So this is the total difference. Nationality means here only depend on one side. For example, society, it is different type of groups are there. The society is different type of groups living from one side or one place, one particular area, one particular place. Okay, the particular area, the particular place there. So it is called nationality. Nationality meaning it is also mainly living from one side or one particular boundary side. It's called nationality. Next to nationalism. Nationalism is also one of the effect of on country level or country boundary type of system. Nationalism feelings. Okay, nationalism feelings. So what is the main difference between nation and the state? The state power is the total under the depend on nation power. The nation is depend on the almost on the indirect state's power. Okay, in English language, nation and state is commonly meanings are same. Meanings also are same meaning. Okay, so what is the rules and regulation? Rule of law. Here main point word all are equal before the law. And rule of law. Rule of law system. Rule of law, it is mainly commonly there. Rule of law, all are equal for the law. Or rule of law is commonly same, nation wise and state wise. Okay, this is the essential words. What is the essential meaning? Here the ruling and different type of system, different type of paramedic system there. But ruling is the same, commonly it is same. So it is called the nation's type of meaning. Rule of law, all are equal before the law, and constitutional principles in every nation wise constitutional principles, and next to constitutional feelings of the people feelings like sovereignty feelings. Sovereignness is also one of the sovereignty. Sovereignness. Okay. Sovereignness is the meaning sovereignous. It is the which word? This is the one Latin word, Latin language word. Latin word sovereigness. It is derived from sovereignty. Okay. Sovereigness meaning rule. Okay. This is sovereigness meaning rule. Okay. Rule and regulations. Okay. Rules. Sovereignty meaning rule in Latin word. English language is called sovereignty. Okay. Every state or every nation sovereignty power is different. Okay. The state power and the nation power, country power. The state power is also sovereign rules also same in different type of them. So the main essential characters like right to feelings and common people are next to rules of law and rule of the society. Okay, elements of social sciences. So this is rules of regulation is commonly is different from one state to another state. Olden days Greek words. Okay, Greek scientificals. Olden days Greek scientificals. The common people, every common people depend on the society. The society is also in the changes of the one of the political thinkers, political viewers. Okay, the political thinkers is the mainly which type of scientist? Greek scientist. Greek scientist explained every political thinker, every political person, different type of views or different type of mathematical institutions also clearly cultivated in the political thinkers. Okay, so the nation's feelings, which century mainly 7th to 18th century, 7th to 18th century. In these centuries, the particularly Western European countries, Western Europe or other Western countries, Western Europe or Western countries, almost more developed of the nations feelings, nations. Okay, the nations is also one of the some countries mainly constitutional permanent word also including constitutional permanent word nationality. Okay, for example, Indian peoples one of the national type of feelings. National meaning only depend on this is totally depend on country level or state level. Okay, Western countries is called one of the state level also. Sometimes state level, sometimes country level. Okay, nation means here which country you belongs to, which nation you belongs to, which country. Okay, you belongs to which type of category, which type of country category, the country category name, the country name. Okay, it belongs to your nationalism. Our nationalism Hinduism. Okay, our nationalism Christianism. Our nationalism is different type of Dravidian language religions. Our nationalism total Harappan culture nationalism. Okay, our nationalism Islamic religions, Islamic, Muslim, Arab nationalism. Different type of nationalism. Nationalism means here one of the small group of people depend on one side. Small group of people or some individual groups. Individual groups are small groups of people. The groups of people, group wise. Not only some percentage, not only single, group wise. Okay, 20 or 30 or 40 type of groups. 20 or 30, 40 groups. The group wise, common groups mainly including of the mainly controlled by the one country level. It is called nationalism. So this is the new words of the nationalism. Okay, the Union States of India. For example, India is also called Union of States, but America is also called United States. Okay, Union States of India, United States of America. So Union States means India is also called secular country, secular and democratic country. Secular and democratic principles follow the system, only democratic principles. So here the national feelings, the feelings is political leaders also, the political viewers or political concept. What is the main different from nation and state, nation and society? Okay, here the common nation is the state or nation is common one. Nation and society. Politically, nation and society, it is the totally depends. Society is the first one, common group. Society is the one of the common group. The common group decide some sub-divisional groups. The sub-divisional groups will mix of the in different type of political thinkers and political viewers. Okay, effective of formation of the government. So the government and the rules and regulations and systematic planning. Okay, control of the political parties, control of the government functions, control of the different type of departments. It is the under the control by the in different departments of one country level. Okay, one state level. It is called nation. What is the main difference between nation and society? Society is the total mixed of groups, but mixed of groups divide us from different type of individual groups. The individual groups are established in different type of nations. The different type of nations also again divided some small type of groups or small type of boundary groups. It is called states. The state's power, nation's power is too different. The state is common power, but nation is the highly and strongly power. Highly and strong feelings. Highly and strong power. Which power? Mainly nation's power. Nation power. And the state power is lowest common word. The state is also sometimes only many high power, remaining times totally common power. Okay, nation is the biggest of the system, the biggest and supporting of the groups, and biggest of the system. This power, nation power. The state is smallest system, but some countries compared to other foreign countries, some countries state power is also larger system. Okay, so this is the huge bodies there, huge population also, huge population in our India. Example, India is the one of the nation state. By union states means here mixed of the all type of different states. The different states different type of rules and regulations also different. So this is a huge population of our India. Population is also huge, and next population density also huge. So then next mixture of the generation, the mixture of generation also huge. So it is the which for nation power. Old Greek languages. Okay, the nations and next to nation and next to culture, society or culture or society, nation and culture or society. Nation, it is some mixture of, so okay, it is a mixture of the and small groups, small type of states. Nation or small type of states. Culture is also mainly society. Society and culture also different from in society, different from languages and different from regions, different from languages and regions. Different from languages and regions. Nations for smallest states. The Old and Greek language, this power is belongs to only which areas, particularly first we mainly start western countries only. Western countries are more developed of the countries, about 6th to 18th centuries, middle of the age, 6th to 18th century. This 6th to 18th century, middle of the age, in this period western countries are more developed. Western countries, okay, the countries mainly established nations as states wise. Nations are state wise. So culture also, for example, what is the main culture of the western countries? Culture is also here Roman Catholic or next Arab Muslims, Roman Catholic and Arab Muslims. Okay, they have different type of cultures also. These are countries established. Already more developed countries, Western countries. The cultural system, society is also mixture of society, combined nations are mixed or combined of the nations. Mixed of society or combined of the nations. Some groups, okay, the groups of people, they are mixed of languages, mixed of culture, mixed of civilization, mixed of heritage, okay, etc. These are the combined of the nations, combined of the nations are states. Culture also different, culture of society. So in this chapter we shall study about what is the meaning by nation and how many type of principles are nationalism feelings. Here we shall discuss it clearly. Culture is also different from every nation or every social groups, every states. Okay, every state or every country level or state level. State level means small type of regions, small type of places or small type of regions. This is country level. State level means smallest type of smallest of the region. Smallest of the region. Nation and nationality. Nation and nationality. It is the commonly known as the which words particularly, but which words Latin words. The Latin language words mainly meanings of the common states, common combined states or combined nations, combined people. Okay, we will discuss tomorrow. Continue nation and nationality and nationalism. Nation definitions. Okay, which type of political thinkers we clearly explain to national and nationality. What is the meaning by nationality and nationality examples? Okay, which purpose mainly countries main effect of the nationality. Okay, next to nationalism. Okay, people's nationalism. These three words: nation, nationality, nationalism. These three words is commonly meaning same meaning. Okay, these three words commonly same meaning, but is way of use, way of method, way of methods totally differs from nation and nationality, nationalism. Okay, tomorrow we will continue nation and nationality, nationalism.